still in the area of triangles, and now we are dealing with our second example. And here is our second example. It says that in a triangle, in triangle ABC, AB is 43 centimeters and the BC is 52 centimeters. Angle ABC is 87 degrees. Find the area of triangle ABC. Now, we now move to apply the formulas which we had talked about. Now, in solving this kind of a question, we need first to sketch the triangle. So you have, this is triangle ABC. So you have a sketch of it. Now, AB is 43 centimeters. So this is AB, length AB, 43 centimeters. And then BC, this is 52 centimeters. Wonderful. Now, next thing is angle ABC. Angle ABC is 87. So this angle is, we're giving that this is 87 degrees. Okay. So this is, of course, it should be 87, but this is just a sketch. Okay, so we can have it this way. Find the area of the triangle. Now, in this kind of a question, you need now to specify the three formulas we had talked about. The formula that will best suit here is this formula. It gives that the area is half these two sides, we can call them A, B, and then the sine of the angle between the two lines. We have this line, and an angle, and include an angle. That is enough to give you the area of this triangle. So this shall be A half times our A is 43 multiplied by our B is 52, then multiply by sine of 87, sine of the angle between them, which is 87 degrees. So we can now calculate this, and then that will give us the area of that triangle. Now, how do this go? So we can have half by 43 by 52 by sine 87. And this simply gives us that the area is 111.646 centimeters squared. So this becomes the area of this of that triangle. That becomes the area of that triangle. Is a direct application of the formula, and there you arrive at your answer. Now let's look at the third example.